welcome back. Thanks for watching. Today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. With this phone, they changed the buttons. So the power button is on the left side. The volume up and down is also on the left side. So you press the power. First, make sure that the phone is powered off. Press the volume up and the power. Continue holding. Once the phone comes on, release the power. Continue holding on the volume up. Once you see this, scroll down. To wipe data factory reset, press the power button to select. Go. Now you just wiped the phone clean off. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.